Hello guys, my name is Greta and I'm an abstract artist and texture artist, and today I want to guide you to create your own piece, and I want to show you how to do something like that. So what you need for that? For that you need to have a canvas, painting knives, you need a spray bottle. Okay, what else you need? You need a sparkle and model paste. We will mix this too. And what else? Yeah, some kind of plate. I take a plastic plate for one more time use, or for more time use like mine. Most important tool for this kind of work, you need a tool with a pattern like this and something to clean up. Yeah, clean up our tools and our it's wrong. Yeah. So now we're ready. So let's get started. Are you ready? Let's get started.
So I'm mixing spackle with the texture paste. I usually eyeball the ratio around 3 to 2. I like combining them because each one has its own strength. Sparkle holds volume well, but if you use too much, it can crack as it dries. Texture paste doesn't hold its shape as much, but once it's dry, it becomes kind of like a soft plastic. So by mixing them, I get the best of both. I'm using a 30 by 30 centimeters canvas. It's small size, which works great for flat or low relief texture pieces. For more heavy or three-dimensional pieces, I'd recommend using wooden panels instead of canvas. Now I'm applying the mixture onto the canvas and spreading it evenly across the surface. You want to keep it about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. I recommend applying a little extra around the edges because the canvas tends to flex in the middle under pressure. The pattern comes out more clearly in the center than near the edges, where there's a wooden frame behind and you can't press as hard. That's why it's important to apply a bit more material along the edges from the start.
I decided to start from the central.
At this stage, you might need to try a few times to get the feel for the pressure and how the paste behaves. Don't worry, just be patient and play with it until you get the result you like. If something goes wrong, you can always scoop the paste back into the plate and remix it. You can also spray a little water to keep it from drying too fast. This helps extend your working time with that material. Make sure your tools and hands stay clean. Small dry flakes can appear on your hand or tools. Those little particles can get into the paste and make the surface rough. So clean them off regularly while working. I also had to redo some parts in the piece, but then I got this raised detail that I really liked, so I decided to keep it. That's the beauty of texture work. It lives its own life and you choose what to keep.
Whew. What I can say that it should dry. I decided to leave this part because I really like it, and after it will dry, you will cover with acrylic paint like white or whatever color you want. So what we have for today, and my hand. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you feel inspired, please like, subscribe, and it really gives me energy to continue creating and make this kind of video for you. Be brave to create, to love, to be free, follow your dreams, and me, the best people in the world.